Okay, now let's move on to our lesson 3. So we know that our lesson 3 focuses on God's power. Okay, so again, 2 pages here. Just read for the summarization of the story. And this one, first activity, we have this in our teacher's manual. Medyo bulubudlay ni siya, pero himuon ta ni siya before mag-start ang camp so that prepared na kita. Okay, so in the last part here, after ni siya ma-build, blocks na siya, ato na siya what do you call that? Pile it up, and then after that, may makahimo ta sang mountain nga scenery. Okay, so important thing is that to explain sa mga bata kung ano ni siya ang purpose nga ginhimo ning activity. So, ang explanation is ari diri. So, kindly read it. Don't forget to read it. Okay, amo na siya explanation. And after that activity, move on to the lesson proper. Okay, after lessons, may ara kita activity man sa gihapon, and don't forget this one. Okay, before the activity. So, for this activity on chapter 3, may ara kita diri sa tuwa ka pictures. Actually, ano ko siya. But, this is related. I mean, tani sila, i-paste together na makahimo ta sang pa-landscape nga pictures. Amo na ho. Duwa ni sila ang first picture diri nga side, ang second picture diri nga side. Then, explain ta sa mga bata kung ano na siya ang kutsidingon. Okay, so lesson 1. Okay, look at the in the picture 1, amo na siya ang bata nga, this place is beautiful. Right? So, this place is beautiful. And then, after that, explain ta sa ila kung this place is beautiful, ng complete tanan, day and night. And then, on the next picture, may already old man. This old man before, wala gapati sa Ginoo. Pero, save siya. Okay? So, did you write down giving all those who decide to believe in God's power? So, before, this person, wala gapati sa Ginoo, wala siya gasimba. But later on, save siya, kag nagpati na siya kay Jesus. So that's the power of Jesus. The power of Jesus to create the world, okay, to make it beautiful, and the power of Jesus to change the people's heart. Okay, and for the last part, don't forget, there's a closing prayer on the last part. So, read na lang ang conclusion. Don't forget to summarize sa mga bata or ask questions kung ano yung natulaan sa sininga lesson. Thank you.